Good morning, how you doing today? I'm going to Szczecin by the first class intercity train in Poland, and I got a so nice upgraded room. I don't know, first time I'm going actually in the carriage like this one. It's much more modern. I'll show you quickly. Just leaving the train station. Always construction in Poznań, by the way, something they building, and check this out. Actually supposed to sit there, but I'm alone here. So this is the first class room with the tables, this one, everything. This one is falling down, good for working on the laptop or something. And yeah, it's actually cool, but usually it's for 6 people in the one room. Now it's for 4, and it's like a separate captain seats, like, because you can move them around and everything. So it's pretty nice change, but this is express intercity, so I think they are more modern trains or something. Anyways, I'm going to Szczecin for some business as I starting my side hustle right now. So I'm most likely gonna visit all the cities, major cities across Poland in this year, but maybe about this one I'm gonna talk in different episode. We'll see a little bit about Szczecin today. Beautiful weather, just 1 or 2 degrees, but sunny, clear sky, no snow in Poznań. Let's see how is it in Szczecin. So see you there. Yeah, check this out. It's actually pretty quiet, pretty nice. I just starting my journey with the trains because usually I drive the cars, and just because I'm going alone quite a lot, I just said why not go to with the train. It's actually also cheaper and it's also quicker, and also on the top of it I can play using the phone, work on my laptop, stuff like this. So it's cool. And yo, check this out. I just got complimentary tea, water. I just sparkling tea and some waffle. And check this out. Not bad, actually nice gesture. First time, actually, this is some sort of express intercity, is different than regular intercity, I just realized. I just add as the 2 hours journey to Szczecin from Poznań, which in car is about 280 kilometers. By train, I don't know, it's I think a little bit shorter. Cost me around 50 zloty, which is like 12 euros maybe or something like that. Not bad. And the really cool thing is that as I'm alone in this carriage, it's very rare. Actually, the Szczecin is not so popular destination. I'm going at 10:30 Tuesday. That's also not so business hours, not so school hours, not so holiday hours, not so holiday dates, not in January. But for me, actually, between 12 and 6, that's perfect time to be any city in Poland right now. At least for this, what I do. I will enjoy my tea. Also, the cool feature, I can put my phone like this one and film it. Like old school. This is like now I feel like a long time ago when I was living in Asia and used to film everything, trains and everything. I still remember when first time we go by train with Winnie with Bangkok, actually in Thailand. To Ayutthaya actually we go, I think the first time. She go first time, because for me of course I used to travel a lot by trains, but also in Indonesia, in Java I used to travel with my friend from Malaysia. Shout out if you're still watching. In Malaysia quite a lot of by trains. Thailand little bit only, mostly to Ayutthaya, and somewhere else we go. I don't know, Hua Hin actually. Bali have no trains, so majority where I used to live, I used to have to drive a bike or car. And in other countries, actually in Europe, we drive car. We rent a car usually. But my friend actually, who visited actually Poland recently 2 times from Singapore, shout out to you as well, traveling across Europe by planes and trains only. So you can do it. Actually, you can go anywhere across Europe by train. But a lot of changes. But one day they're gonna make a train. They're planning to make a train from Portugal or from Spain, if I'm not mistaken, or then from London through Poland actually back to China. So that's gonna be interesting in the future. I hope so. I'm gonna be still alive so I can make it. Theoretically, you can still do it right now, but through Russians, through Siberian lane, kinda extreme. But some people do it. Alright. See you in Szczecin. That's the pretty cool POV actually. So relaxing to watching actually like this one at the end of the train. Nice. Check this out, actually crossing the Wisła River. It was a little bit frozen actually. True. It's nice. Almost arriving in Szczecin. And it's just so funny, I can't believe what I just said. We're crossing Wisła River, we are not going to Gdańsk. This is the Szczecin, so it's gonna be Oder River, Western Poland. Need coffee for sure. I could cut this off, but I decided to just correct myself. That's how the true and proper YouTubers always supposed to do. Don't be ashamed to make mistakes. That's the Szczecin. That's the old town, and there will be some nice residential building with the potential business locals. That's cool. Actually, the little duckies here on the frozen thingy. I don't know why we stopped actually. 1 minute to the train station. By the way, I said locals. There's units for the business. So in Indonesia we call ruko. In Poland we call lokale, which is mean like a local. But in English local is mean local. So generally the business unit. I think so. Yeah. Very nice actually. We never been to Szczecin by train, always going by car. A few times already since I live in Poland. It's actually pretty nice. Sometimes traveling in via train is okay. Szczecin główny, Szczecin, that's the name of the city. Another difficult name. I didn't know there's a restaurant actually in this train. I'm so glad it's really beautiful weather today in Szczecin, so that's so cool. Let's do business and then maybe I'm gonna have 2 hours to hang out in Szczecin. Actually going back at 6. Think so, have to check it. Nice channel. Pretty nice train station actually. I'm gonna tell you, this is probably the nicest dworzec PKP in Poland. I mean, the train station in Poland is just modern. Cool. Look at the view actually from the train station. So cool. Very nice. Pretty nice mural. Szczecin. Alright. Okay. So I'm just walking here by this beautiful promenade, by the water and everything, beautiful sun. Overall cold but very nice weather. Really nice. And I just walking, talking with my friends, then with my brother because something. And I just realized I walked 1 kilometer too far, so I'm going back. Oh my god, I just didn't realize I walked that fast actually. Cold but sunny. This is what I like actually. Winters like this really nice. That is for me. Basically I have 6 spots to visit here today. It's not that cold actually when I'm walking here. I don't know actually, so many small little roads here around. Let's see, 5 to go. And 1 meeting additional. 6 hours gonna make it without any problems. So came from there's the waterfront. Siena. Like a kind of everywhere little slightly what I wanna say? Old towns. Kind of some nice restaurants and so on. New apartments with the style of the old housing. Nice. Alright. Oh, and the church, of course, there. So many cobblestone and so quiet in Szczecin city. Actually, this is one of the most western cities already. I mean, in West Poland. Church under the renovation, of course. Didn't realize the nice bell, actually. Cool. So many apartments and everything is for rent in this city. That doesn't sound good. It's quiet. It's nice, but it's quiet. And more older I become, I just realize I need more hustle and bustle. It needs to be action, something always going on. People when getting older, they want quiet and moving to live in the countryside or something, and I'm opposite to this. But don't worry, I'm not looking to move to Szczecin or something, no, for sure, no. Never expect to live here. If we ever move out from Poznań, it will be either Gdańsk or, I don't know, maybe Capital, if really have to for some business. Szczecin, no. But it's a nice city generally to visit and do business right now. Another renovations into some small square. Everything gonna be nice for the season. Except they're gonna make it so long, like 2 years or so. Also, a lot of businesses here are prepared for the German tourists, because a lot of Germans coming here for the holiday in Poland. It's also cheaper than in Germany for many of them. Ooh. Like all you see those restaurants like Trattoria Toscana and everything, it's not Polish style, it's more for the Germans. Yeah. Nice architecture also everywhere. It's very sharp sun, but it's nice restaurant full of the street full of restaurants and the spas and the other businesses actually. I think I used to drive this main street once actually by car. There's like a harbor at the front and central information, tourist info point and stuff like this. Oh, they even have a tram. Alright, have to cross the street. Where is it? Some shop with the veggies, with the heating. Nice actually, that's cool. Something a little bit different. And overall that's the city center, like going on the main street, like little bit of street vlogging, how I used to do. Georgian bakery as always. I mean, as always, many of them nowadays here back in Poland. Not sure actually why, but they like Poland a lot. And yeah, that's how does it look like here. There's also a lot of old buildings here like this one and historical city. Also there was a big harbor and you can see Bürgermeister. German. They like Germans here in Szczecin. Plus and minus, depends how you look at it. Some decent restaurants actually everywhere around. I think this is the mall. Maybe I'm gonna come here later on. Overall, this is the Szczecin city. What am I gonna tell you? Yeah, that's the mall actually. Its weather is beautiful. It's Tuesday around 1:30 p.m. It's just not many people and not even many cars on the street. Overall, it's nice. Nice place. Nice city though. It's alright. I mean, the taxi driver puts a little bit on curb though. There are different cars driving here, like a Kia, MG. In Poznań you have all Toyotas for any reason. Right. That's how does it look like in Poland and in many other cities in Europe, like this one. You have a Comi era blocks. You have a beautiful architecture, colonial from Prussia building, I guess. And then you have a modern building, like a tower. In one, basically, junction, one corner. Alright, somehow done with the most of the meetings. Actually, visited 6 places today and had a lunch with a client. So that's good. Now coffee time and I'm gonna go back basically. Coffee, definitely. Coffee now. Going to have a coffee there. I can see Lavazza sign and a pretty nice view of the Szczecin though. Check this out. The landscape. Like a building like this one. Some cranes. Sunset time of winter time. Even it's rush hours, it's quiet though. Le Bonbon. It's smaller than I thought. Kind of weird situation. The place were looking actually pretty decent. However, sorry, the reviews were decent, 4.8 out of 5, but the place doesn't look so enthusiastic. Gonna change. Back to the center, actually, also. Then you have an old building. I think this is something. This is the new one. Then there is something really old, and then you have something new. And there will be my coffee shop somewhere. Of course, Starbucks is so. If I have no choice. But this is the main street actually. I'm going to this building, to the next to this fancy building. That's the Courtyard by Marriott actually. Here you go, and that's the Poseidon. And there is Poseidon Coffee. That sounds good. Let's see. The most fancy building in Szczecin. So I will also have to find a good taste, right? Yeah, let's see. I'm gonna tell you I got a very weird situation. I go to the cafe. Very nice, actually, very nice. I get there and there was actually the coffee shop belongs to some fancy beauty studio. I said, alright, okay. It's in the tower, like in the office tower. I said, okay. And they say, can I have a coffee? And then, actually, it's kind of close, kind of like, I don't know. But we're gonna make a coffee for you. But it's okay. I will, like, if not, it's okay. I go say, no, okay, so I will already pay straightforward as well. No, it's for free. It's for free for you. It's just like for the company cost. And I said, whoa, what the hell? Why? Yeah. It's just like this. So very weird situation, but the view was amazing. I will show you on the short Insta story clip now. Alright, this is it. The train station is somewhere there. There is the train station actually. And that's the city. I don't know, the plane is right there. Either way, not much is going on. Alright, back to the train station. From the outside, it's so small actually. The entrance is weird, like a small. but inside is pretty nice, as you saw before at the beginning of today's video. If you watch, thanks so much for watching. Anyways, I have to back to Poznan, 1.5 hour, 2 hours drive by train. I will be there. Thanks so much. See you next one. See ya. Take care.